Hey Thinksters, welcome to this new video, and it will be the start of a series of videos actually. It will be about built-in functions. What's a built-in function in Python first of all? As the documentation here at docs.python.org states, the Python interpreter has a number of functions and types built into it that are always available. So always means you don't have to import a module, it's already there, it's always available independently of the modules which you import or don't import. And here is an overview of all those built-in functions. And over a series of videos now, I want to go through this whole list with you because it's very important to know the built-in functions of Python if you want to be a good Python programmer. And of course, you shouldn't have to look them up all the time. Maybe sometimes if you need a special parameter, you can look it up, but you should have in mind at least 90% of those functions and what they do and how they work. So I will go with you through all those functions and we will explore what they do, how they work, which parameters they have.